Kubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Hagini ki khandiat sngi la yo I ka jingya tai lingba ki lat pathai khubor badru ki rinsan social media hagabaya dei bat ka roster system nakaliang sembut menteri rangba ka jilla uba preston tunsong haba jubab ya ka jingkeli hakano ka Bthah ka sarkar ka yeng hagabaya dei bat ka roster system ulia thu baka jing Pyntreikam ya ka roster system ka jia ha usnam ar ha kaba ka ying bishar badon buram kala ay ka jing bishar jongka bat ka sarkar kala file ya ka affidavit pala license badru la kerpat ya yeng bishar badan buram ka Meghalaya High Court pakin sya yangi man pendon kam ya ka roster system prospectively retrospectively ula benrap ru da ka baong baka yeng bishar badan buram hakitu ki por kala penbor ya ka sarkar bat kilaong bangidei ban Pyntreikam retrospectively kabamun Naduh Kaba Sdang jong ke Reservation policy. Uba preston ulaong, bangidang ap yo menteri rangba ke jela, ba marsen poi shanong ba shalong. Kinsa don ke jingye kendo jong ki menteri sarkar, bat kan don ru ke jingye kendo lang jong ke MDA, bat ru ke jingye kendo jong baro ki sengsan perthai ke jela, banyak keren halor ke mat.
No, the stand of the comment is like this. I think I've already replied very, very clearly. See the roster system, implementation of roster system. What has happened was, way back in 2022, Honorable High Court has given a ruling, and then again after that we filed the affidavit not less than 3 times, and also pleading the Honorable High Court that they should allow us to implement roster system prospectively, not retrospectively, but the Honorable High Court, at that point of time, they insisted us, they said that it should be implemented retrospectively, means from the inception of the reservation policy. So again, I've already said, we are waiting once the Honorable CM reach law, we will call a meeting, we'll have a cabinet meeting, we'll have a review meeting, and also we will have all-party meeting with all responsible leaders, and we will share with them and we'll discuss how to go forward.
But sir, what made the Honorable High Court to issue an order saying that this matter lies with the executive or the legislature when it comes to time for implementation of the roster system? When you said the government had pleaded,
yes,
that it should be,
I have no right to reply on behalf of the Honorable High Court,
whether
but that's what I'm saying. The point is very clear. We pleaded already. We wanted to implement it prospectively, but the Honorable High Court insisted and said on record, they said it should be implemented from the inception of the reservation policy. So that is the point. As of today, it stands like that.